In this way, in the above paragraph, we have studied that everyone has a heart, everyone wants to love others, but he or she is taught to hate others. And according to Nelson Mandela, the goodness of man can be hidden for few minutes, but it will never be extinguished. After that, this one is over. Now I am here in this next paragraph. In life, every man has two obligations to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country, civil and human. In this paragraph, we find that the Nelson Mandela describes about the obligation, gratitude. Gratitude means we are accountable. We are accountable to whom? And he is saying that everyone has two types of obligation. First of all, each and everyone is responsible for his own family, and second one, he is responsible for his own country, a community of his country. After that, let me roll it. This one is over. Second paragraph. Here it is. Sorry for this disturbing. In human society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclination and ability. After that, he describes he is adding in the line which type of obligation you have. You want to complete this thing. Suppose that you have goal to be an IS officer or any other thing. So how which way you adopt anything, and then you can fulfill your aim, goal, destiny. This one is he is saying such type of thing. But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of birth and color fulfill both of those obligations in South Africa. In this way, but this one is the totally absolutely wrong in South Africa. No one can complete one's full one desire to serve other person due to region. If anyone who is born in South Africa, due to his color, due to his existence, he can't complete his own obligation to his people. In South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was punished and isolated. When he describes about the exploitation, which type of exploitation is there. He is saying that if anyone is born in South Africa, he is totally banned. He can't complete his desire, passion, and live as human being, was punished, and he is caught. If anyone who is born in South Africa and he is caught to serve other persons, he will be punished. The punishment will be this way: he will be isolated. It means he will imprisoned. And after that, in South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his people was inevitably ripped from his family and his home, and was forced to live a life apart, a twilight existence of secrecy and rebellion. It means if anyone who is caught to serve his own people or his country, his life has been totally changed, and now he has to live his life apart his family. Now he has to live his life apart his family, and he is treated as rebellion. And after then, I did not in the beginning choose to place my people above my family. In this line again, Nelson Mandela describes about his own condition. He tells us that in the starting time he liked also to serve his family. Not he wanted to serve his countrymen. And after, but in attempting to serve my people, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligation as son, a brother, a father, and a husband. After that, when he started to serve a countryman, he was prevented. He was banned to serve this one, and then he was totally isolated. In this way, he can't complete his desire, his obligation to serve his own people along with his countrymen. And after that, I was not born with a hunger to be free. Starting time, Nelson Mandela already tells us that he does not want, he did not get freedom. Which type of thing he was happy in that thing. But when he was banned, when he was isolated, totally prevented, he was imprisoned. Now since then there was a thought came into his mind to be free from this type of rules and regulation. I was born free in every way that I could know, free to run in the fields near my mother's hut, free to swim in the clear stream that can run through my village, free to roast mealies under the stars and eat the broad backs of slow moving bulls. So here in these lines we find now he's saying that why he wants to be free. He's saying that he was born free. Freely he was born free, he was freely born, and he can go where he wants. He can go to his mother's hut, he can go to his field, he can go to river, and in the water of river he can swim, and he can go to graze his bulls, and on the back of bulls he can sit also. In this way he is imagining, he is describing, he is saying something about all this. As long as I obeyed my father and abided by the custom of my tribe, I was not troubled by the laws of man or God. In this way, he is saying that as long as जहाँ तक की माने until he serves, until he obeys his father, no one will make him out of his community, and no one give him trouble at the name of law of man or God. He is accepting that everything is free in his country, but why he is banned now to serve his people? In this way he is accepting this type of thing. And after that I am here. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion, when I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me. So in this above paragraph we find he described about his freedom, because when he was very young, where he wanted he can go to river for swimming, he can go to mother's hut, he can go to his own field. This way he is accepting, he's saying what was happened to him in his childhood. And after that now he's saying that now he accepts when he has been an adult person. He is saying that this was totally an illusion, and when he feels that all his freedom has been taken out from him, and but that I begin to hunger for it. And whenever I snatch anything from you during that time, since then you start to find in keen prakar that thing again. So at the same way, when British government has snatched his freedom, then he starts thinking how he can regain this one thing. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself, the transitory freedom of being able to stay out at night. Now, in this way, he is saying first of all which type of freedom he needs. He is saying that as a student, he wants to get a freedom where he wants he can go. No one can stop him going anywhere else. And after that, which type of book he likes, he can read. And after that, and he also wants to go to out at night. In this way he is accepting, as he is saying something about students freedoms. And after the read, please have. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, I earned for the basic and honorable freedom of achieving my potential of earning my keep, of marrying and having a family, the freedom not to be abstract. in lawful life. In this way, he is later accepting that when he has been adult person after completing his education, he wants to get married and he wants to get married and he also wants respect in his family, yeah, in his society. And after that, he's saying he also needs, he also wants a family. And then he's saying that all the rules and regulation of the government can't stop him doing all these things. So he accepts, he wants to find such type of freedom in his life. But after then what happened? But then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who lived like I did. In this way, in this paragraph, he is again saying that it is not only he, but all his brothers and sisters are also banned totally. Their freedom has been snatched from them. So he is accepting due to what's reason? Because they are seemed like them, they are seemed like him, because everyone is African and everyone is black skin person, so he is out of his freedom. This one is reason. And that is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom. In this way, when he finds such type of obstruction, such type of you can say hindrances, circumstances in his life, then he decides to join the African National Congress. African National Congress, as in India, there was a Congress. No? In Congress, many politicians fought against British government due to we got freedom in 1947. In this way, the same there was a national party that was known in Africa, that was known as Africa as the African National Congress, and he joins this one. And now his personal freedom has been impersonal. Now he is fighting against British government due to the freedom of all his person. He is accepting this thing. And after that, let me go to the next page. This one is the of my people. What that earlier I read that it is not his personal freedom, but it is now impersonal freedom. It was the desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect that animated my life. And now he desires that he wants to get freedom, such type of things, so that he can live his life with a great respect, self-respect, and all these things promote his life. That transformed a frightened young man into a bold one, that drew a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, that turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home, that forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. In these lines we find when he thinks about freedom. Now he starts now he totally changes himself. First of all, starting time he was very frightened young man, but now he turns from frightened young man into a bold person. Now starting time he was very honest and citizen of that country, of his country, but now he is behaving like a criminal. But he has been he is doing crime because he is fighting against the British government, against the foreign government. And starting time he loves his family. Now he has a house, but when he fights against British government, so today he is here, tomorrow he will be there, he will be anywhere else. So he is saying that now he is living like a monk, homeless. And after that I am no more virtuous of self-sacrificing than the next man. When he is accepting that he is not next man, when he is not better than any other person, he is also like other person in his country. He is not comparing himself that he is the best, other person is worse or not good as he is. So he is accepting that his self-sacrificing is not better than the next man, when other person who sacrifices his own life for his own country. country, but I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedoms I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. But he is accepting that his people is not free. His people is not free in his own country, so he is fighting. So he is going to against. He is going to fight against the British government, and this was thing gives him pain, that his own people is not has not free, is not freedom, has not freedom go to anywhere else. Freedom is individual. Freedom can't be divided into many person. He is saying freedom is individual and it is for everyone. The chains, and after that the chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me. So now he is accepting, he is giving an example like a chain. Suppose that there is a chain. If anyone asks you how strong this chain is, so you can easily say that as one link of this chain is strong, as this chain is strong. It means the chain is as strong as one link of this of it. So he is also accepting that if all the person is living, all the person who are living in the country is like a chain. If anyone is snatched, if anyone is taken out from his own freedom, it means he is weak. It means that it is not his own freedom, but it is the freedom of all person. Who is saying? Nelson Mandela is saying about that thing. And after that, now I am here. I knew that the oppressor, one person who is exploiting others. This one is the oppressor, Indian karne wala. I knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. Now he has also he is very kind person, and he has also he is very generous to the person who is exploiting, who is exploiting in South Africa, who is exploiting in the South Africa. To him, he is very generous, he is very generous, he is very kind, and he is saying that as oppressed person, to sooner or later he will be free. So in this way he is saying that oppressor also should be free. But it doesn't matter at the name of revenge, प्रतिशोध. It doesn't matter that oppressor should be hanged, oppressor should be punished due to his own work. So he is accepting, and he has you can say kind. He has generosity to them, oppressor and oppressed man. A man, after that he is saying, a man who takes away another freedoms is a prisoner of hatred. He is accepting that a person who is taking out, who is snatching the other man's freedom is like a prisoner of hatred. It means he is like a prisoner of hatred. नफरत का वो क्या है, prisoner है, कैदी है. He is accepting this one thing. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness. It means the person, it means the person oppressor who oppresses other. He is like a prisoner of hatred, and he is locked. He is very mean-minded. He is very prejudiced type person. Prejudiced type person. Suppose that a person, I meet you earlier, and what I thought, what I talked to you during that time, at the same way now I am thinking about you according to that background, and whenever you meet me I think about that thing only, to you. So this one is a prejudice. It means we need not to change about my thought to him or her, माने पूर्वाग्रह होना. So narrow mindedness, I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom just as simply as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. The oppressed and the oppressors alike are robbed of their humanity. Now he is accepting this thing. If a person who is snatching the freedom of others person, he is also not free as an oppressed person is not free. And further he is saying that the both are same, alike, both are same, and they are robbing humanity. You can say they are making humanity, sorry, when you can say they are robbing humanity. They are robbing the humanity. After that they are creating a problem in humanity. Let me go to the next page. It's over. In this way, this one is the complete discussion meaning of this chapter. I complete this thing. Now you need to answer the questions what I have already give you all, and I will discuss one time over all these questions, and in an audio I will provide you all that you can write down. Okay, I start here.